So if you ever create content for YouTube video and you used your music or somebody else's music, you maybe come along with these emails when YouTube says, hey, we found the copyright materials inside your YouTube video. So you have some music that is registered and you need or dispute or give it portion of income to this company. So let me look why this is a scam specifically. So let's put it this way. This specifically music I downloaded with a license from Envato Elements. Envato Elements on one of the many services like this. And this is one of the best of them, actually more legit than other ones. But let's put it this way. You go on Envato Elements, you downloaded music to use it. And interesting things that many music here, new music or popular, this says no YouTube content registration. So it's when you download it, they don't even provide license for you at this time. So you download music, you start using. And here's interesting kind of tweak on this, because this video that is claimed copyright with music, I downloaded in 2019, over 3 years ago. So what's happened? That usually how it's work. They have no copyright music. They allowed you to go ahead, download it and use it. They track how many people use it. And when it's reached specific point and in time, they're going and they copyrighted this music. So at this time, they're going on YouTube and going from all monetization channel who using your music. And most time it's come up to quite a bit number. And it says, share with us part of your monetization. How many people will reply? How many of those people still active? How many people says, I want dispute, go back, or have an ability dispute? Because for me, likely enough, I done with this company for long years. I can go back and I can see right how it says it is registered. So I actually can go and download license and showing him, hey, I did this in 2019. Here's my license. I'm legit using of this music. I have an agreement on a license. But how many people actually use this? For example, if you go on YouTube channel, on YouTube, and you find some channel with free music, which some of them not even legit, but let's say you find legit music and they say use it free, just put it under there, something says it's we take music from this channel. After 3 years, they go and they copyrighted that music. You have no ability to get license from them, nothing. You just even specify in your description that you took music from that channel, and it says we want you to pay royalty. What are you going to do? Or you need to go back and change music on your videos. Hopefully don't have it voiceover, then you're totally screwed. Or you just use it some other free music which go back. But how many will do it? 1,000 people? How many from 1,000 people? Maybe 50 who will do this. So it's meaning it's very scammy way to collect money, to leech on another people, work on another people monetizations. And it shouldn't be actually copyrighted. If at the time when you download it, they refuse to copyright that music, and the time when they did it, it's meaning that music should at that time not require copyright for you. You automatically copyrighted as the common license at this point, because it is purely scam. It's a leeching, and it's happened all over places. And I understand you maybe say they created work, they did this, all the stuff, but so let me put it in different way. I understand you maybe say, hey, but they create music, it's the music they can copyright. Yeah, it's true to this. But how you feel about this? If you're going on my channel, and right here I have it over 2,000 videos, and I make tutorials about Terragen, Vue, World Machine, Filter Forge, and other applications. So you watch all of these videos, everything, yes? Cool, people watching them. What if after time I says, you know what? Now I'm going to sell my tutorials on my side and I want my money back. So how about the people who was watching before should pay me money for this? Because they did watch and I now decide to copyright and monetize this. No, you already watched it. You already absorbed the information I was providing. I teaching you, teached before, because it's my value was. It is share my knowledge and information. You already absorbed this information. You already increase your skill. Music, you maybe listen one, it's a little bit different ways how it's coming, but it's same. One is talent, you can listen music, another one is teaching, but you're observing. So now I want money because I already done this. You already watched my video. It's a total BS. And that's what bugged me about this, because these claims I'm receiving on a monthly, several times a month and everything, when people does this all the time. They put it for free, they let you to use the music, and then they start charging money after 3-4 years when it's done. Okay, so how we can fix this? What you need to do? Be sure, don't use it registration free. Okay, if you're paying, like right here, I'm paying for this service. From now on, I look, and if it's music look good but it's not registered, I won't use it. I will look for one that is have it already identified to register. I'll download that license, and when I upload it on YouTube, I set this first as unlisted, then it's flagged in, and I can put it inside license and show legitimate to me from using this music. So this is how I do it. I'm avoiding YouTube channels with for free allowed, says used music here, because if you check, I'm not alone, because right here I just pull out on the Reddit, and you can see that people constantly saying about this scamming, about same things working. So it's not just there, it's YouTube channels too, and they're even worse, how I said before. So don't use that music from them. There are another actually services that's coming up. It is AI generated music. The reason is why, because each music is unique, it's very hard to copyright it, and it's the reason why they don't want you copyrighted. But be careful with those services as well, because we don't know what algorithm they're using, and they maybe come back and a massive as well. That's how I say, my personal experience with this, I want to have license in a time when I'm uploading music. So I don't want after 3-4 years come back and try dig through all stock of this, or find some way, maybe service does not exist. What if it's Imanto element going out of business? We're all screwed. Okay, it's been all the music gone, all licensing is gone. What we can do about this? Well, this is my kind of sharing with you. Just try to help you avoid all this free music scam, and specifically in this way. Just beware, it's happening. What I'm going to do right now, I'm going to click on my options and going to dispute now, put it my license in and dispute this specifically claim, because I'm legally use this music. And if those guys try to sneak around and steal it, well, they have it one less person from whom they can steal money. Thank you for watching and have a great day.